WhatsApp has recently changed its notification style, and here's what's going on. Normally, when someone sends you a message on WhatsApp, you get a notification that shows the WhatsApp logo, the user's name, and a message preview. However, with the recent update, the notification shows the WhatsApp logo along with the WhatsApp app name, followed by the user's name. From what I've noticed, this only happens with individual messages. Group chat notifications still display just the group name and don't include the WhatsApp app name. This is happening on both WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp Messenger, and as of now, there is no official way to disable this, but here is a workaround. First, open your phone settings and go to Notifications. There, select Notification Pop-up Style and change it from Brief to Detailed. Next, locate the WhatsApp app on your home screen, long press it, and tap App Info. From there, go to Notifications, then select Notification Pop-up Style. Here, change the pop-up style from Brief Pop-up to Detailed Pop-up as well. That is it for now. I'll keep you updated. Subscribe for more.